Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Renault Kwid represents a significant evolution in the compact hatchback segment, blending modern design, enhanced performance, and advanced features. Building upon its predecessors, the 2025 model aims to offer a more refined driving experience while maintaining the affordability and practicality that the Kwid series is known for. Exterior design. The 2025 Kwid showcases a bold and contemporary exterior. A prominent feature is its sleek grille, complemented by Y-shaped LED daytime running lights, DRLs, that add a distinctive touch. The vehicle's stance is further enhanced by updated 15-inch alloy wheels, contributing to its modern aesthetic. These design elements not only improve the car's visual appeal but also its aerodynamic efficiency. Interior features. Inside, the Kwid offers a minimalist yet functional cabin. The all-black interior is accentuated by a 10-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The layout is driver-centric, ensuring that controls are easily accessible and intuitive. Quality materials and thoughtful design choices create a comfortable environment for both the driver and passengers. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the 2025 Kwid is equipped with a 1.0-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine, delivering 67 horsepower and 91 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering smooth gear shifts and responsive acceleration. The powertrain is designed to provide a balance between performance and fuel efficiency, catering to both city commuting and longer drives. Safety features. Renault has prioritized safety in the 2025 Kwid by incorporating several advanced features. The vehicle comes equipped with anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and dual front airbags as standard. Higher trims offer additional safety technologies such as rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, and seatbelt reminders for all seats, enhancing overall passenger protection. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout aspects of the Kwid is its impressive fuel economy. The 1.0-litre engine, combined with the vehicle's lightweight design, results in a fuel consumption rate of approximately 4.7 litres per 100 kilometers. This efficiency makes the Kwid an economical choice for budget-conscious drivers without compromising on performance. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Kwid is available in multiple trim levels to cater to diverse customer preferences. The base model starts at an estimated A superscript 15.00 lakh, with higher variants offering additional features and customization options at increased prices. This pricing strategy ensures that the Kwid remains competitive in the compact hatchback market. Conclusion. The 2025 Renault Kwid successfully combines style, functionality, and affordability. Its modern design, coupled with a feature-rich interior and efficient performance, positions it as a strong contender in the compact car segment, whether for urban commuting or longer journeys.